Hi there, welcome to this quick tutorial where we get to point our domain to the right name servers. When your domain is pointing to the wrong hosting, your pages will crash and won't be accessed. This page showing this type of error is a typical example of that. The cause of this is that your domain itself is not pointing to your subscribed hosting name servers. This issue often arises when you are using a different hosting company from the domain registrar and isn't linked. Or when you are using a third-party content delivery network, CDN. Now, let us get into the steps of solving this problem. Step 1. Change your domain name server. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using the Hostinger name servers. And all you have to do is go to their website and grab a copy of these bad boys and head over to your domain provider's domain management area and update the name server records with values. Now don't worry, if you are not using Hostinger Cloud Hostinger, whichever hosting services you are using, they will have a place for you to get their name server addresses. Step 2. Add the domain to your hosting plan. If you are using Hostinger, all you have to do is log into your panel and navigate to the website section of each panel and click on Add Website. However, if you are using other hosting services like Namecheap or so, you may have to find this. Once this is done, you can allow your website some couple of hours and then the website will be back. For us using the WP backend here, we can successfully log into our dashboard to do whatever we want to do. In some cases however, it may take longer time for the DNS to propagate. There are other ways you can track the progress of these but that isn't covered in this tutorial. And that is it. This is how you point your domain to the correct name servers. Now, let us talk about how you can still do this if you were using a cloud delivery network like Cloudflare. You can quickly do this by going to your DNS record. As shown here. Just copy the following records and paste them accordingly into your DNS records on your domain hosting company dashboard. Once you are done, just save the changes that you have made and let the magic happen. Also, you may have to be patient for this to fully take effect. It is recommended to wait for 24 hours. And that is how we wrap this little session of video tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Also, hit the notification video to get future videos we make. You can also like and share the video if you want. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.